Okay, last week, Omar, of course, was out of town, and we had a little bit of a failure on the pancake regime, but this...
Are we ready?
Yes, this week we're back in action.
Webster
gets his special ones. Yana. This is sweet Josie here. Josie. Apparently, this week was also National Pancake Day. Here, Barney. Oh, good job, Barney. Good job. Uh-oh, hold on. Oh, we got multiple forks going on. Here you go.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Here he goes. So, we're kind of
Webster.
celebrating National Pancake Day today.
Yana. Josie.
Yana, no. Right.
Barney.
All right, Barney, here you go. Oh, got it, Barney.
And Huckleberry.
Look at Barney. He's even standing up.
Okay.
He's standing up. He's
Webster.
leap. Maybe 1 week without pancakes.
Yana.
She scared him.
Josie.
Good girl.
Barney.
Barney. Good job, Barney.
And Huckleberry.
All right, and Huck. Here we go. All right.
Webster.
Webster.
Yana.
You're not shy.
Josie.
Yana.
Barney.
Yana, be quiet. But good barn.
And Huckleberry.
Good job, Huck. Good job.
Okay.
All right, one more
Webster.
round. We got a couple more rounds.
Yana.
Since they were cheated last week.
Yeah.
Need extra.
Josie. Barney.
Oh, Barney, he'd lay down. Oh, he hopped up. That's like exercise for
Huckleberry.
Barney. Look at that. It's like a step up or something.
Okay, Webster. Yana. Josie.
You're being so quiet and so polite today.
Barney.
Good Barney. All right, good go. Almost a step up. That was a half a step up.
And Huckleberry.
Here
Okay.
you go, Huck. Okay. Good job. We got one more round.
Webster.
One more round, y'all.
Yana.
Josie.
Barney.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
And Huckleberry.
Okay, and Huckleberry.
That's all, guys.
That's all. That's it, babies.
That's all.
That's it, babies. That's all, babies.
Okay.
That's all. There's not any more. There's not any more.
All right, you have to protect the
You think?
vegetables.
That's all, babies. That's all, babies. All right, babies.